Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Welcome to Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Even if you're not a subscriber, thank you so much for choosing to spend this time with me and for allowing me to come into your homes. I really do appreciate it. And a big welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, today is Super Simple Sunday, and that means that we do a super simple craft, and we typically do it using some scrap materials of some type. And that's what we're doing today. We're going to take some scraps and a few pieces of ephemera, and we're going to make some of the sweetest gift card tags. Yes, gift card tags. Yes, this is a gift that can be hung on the tree. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here is a closer look at today's awesome project. We are going to take scraps to make the body of our project. Then we're going to create these awesome little pockets, one here in the front and then one on the side that will hold a gift card. So you can do a to and from on the back, hang this on the tree, decorate the tree with these, and then as guests come over, if you have a hanging ornament for them, you can go get it and give it to them, and they'll have a nice ornament, but they'll also have a nice little gift card or cash tucked on the inside. So here's another one. All I'm doing is using ephemera to create a pocket. And in that pocket, we are tucking some goodies. So I have made 3. We're going to make the 4th one together. So in my little baggie, I have my pieces of ephemera as well as my twine. And then I have a scrap piece of very lightweight craft paper. I use lightweight chipboard scraps on the first 2. I don't have any of that left. So we're going to double up some craft paper to get the consistency of a lightweight chipboard. So this scrap piece measures about 8 by 7.5 maybe. And then I just have some scrap wrapping paper that I saved from last year. So let's just take some tape, and I'm using my wide 1.5 inch tape, and I'm just placing some along the top. And I'll stop right here. And then I'll just use my big old spatula to make sure I have everything nice and smooth. So basically what I wanted to do was I wanted to cover enough of that wrapping paper so that I can put it down like this. So we are just going to peel away the tape backer. Then I'll take it and I'm just going to put it down. How far down is completely up to you, but I am going to remove the excess. And then I'm going to bring in my trimmer, and I am going to trim this to 6 inches. Then I'm going to trim 2 3-inch pieces. So I'll have 2 pieces that measure 3 by 6. And if you want, you can save that and use it to create another smaller tag. So now I have these 2 pieces, and we're basically going to be joining them together like this. So before I join them, I'm actually going to add a 3rd pocket, and all I'm doing is taking this to give me an idea of where I need to put the pocket. So I'm going to take this piece and we're going to put it down, and I'm going to trim across. I'm just going to cut through like that, and I'm allowing myself just a little extra room because we want the card to be able to fit in like that, and it'll be fitting in like that on the back. So now I'll take my nice reptile adhesive, and what I'm going to do is I am going to add glue to 3 sides. I'll add glue to the top, along one long side, and along the bottom. So I am just going to place down my glue like this. And then across the bottom, I'm actually going to give it a nice amount here at the bottom because I want the card to definitely stick out. So now I can take this piece and we're just going to join the two, making sure I get those as even as possible. And then I'll use my big old spatula to make sure that I have a nice stick. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I am just going to round my corners just a little bit. If you have a corner rounder, this is great for that. But if you don't, we can always use a workaround. So now we have our tag, and here comes the easy peasy part. I am just going to take this piece, and this will be the piece that I'll put at the bottom. That will be my little pocket. So I am going to take just a little bit of glue, and I have placed enough glue coming around in like a half moon, and that's going to ensure that I have a nice little pocket. Then I'm just going to take this little jingle bell sticker. We're going to put it right there in the middle. We don't need a whole lot. We're just making this super simple. So I'll bring in my hole punch using my 3/16 setting, and I'm going to punch a hole. Then I'll take my twine. I'm going to double the twine like this. I'll feed it through the hole, and then I'll pull it. Now I used some pretty long twine, so this is actually about 20 inches worth of twine, and I'm using that because I'm not sure how much of it I'm going to cut off, so I'd rather have too much than not enough on there. So then I'm going to take this little sticker and put it right there. Then I have a nice little Peace on Earth sticker that I'm going to put there. And now, y'all, we can go ahead and fill in and place our items in the pocket. And you can put as many pieces of ephemera in here as you want. You can even glue these down if you want. I thought just having that pocket on the front, pocket on the side, and then a little pocket in the back was really cute. So now we can take our gift card. We can put it in like that. And then I'll use my sticker book, and I'm going to take this one, and we're going to put that right here on the back, just so that we'll have some cuteness on the back as well. Then I think I am going to find just a little sentiment for the back, and I'm going to take this one that says Merry Christmas, and we'll put it right there. Super simple. So now if you want, you can put a gift card right there, remove it this way, or you can put cash here, and you can put a gift card in the back. And y'all, it's completely up to you, but this is a super simple way to use our scraps, a few pieces of ephemera, and turn it into something useful. That is what my channel is all about, and that is definitely what Super Simple Sunday is all about. So I have brought them all back in so that you can see just how gorgeous these are. Imagine them hanging from the Christmas tree or hanging from the fireplace mantle. Completely up to you. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this Christmas in July Super Simple Sunday. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.